everyone, welcome back to Sunny Life Chain. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. Well, guys, we are talking about Uthando nesthembu. Well, guys, the previous episode of Uthando nesthembu, season 6, episode 7, received mixed emotion feedback from our viewers. Uthando nesthembu. It was a beautiful day, guys. It was Musa birthday celebration where his family decided to take him out. Bahamba nje family, bahamba bayodlala ama games, including hiking, zipping, and many more. After that, guys, family ibene lunch. Musa or abantwana baka Musa bambhale a beautiful message, guys, of what they think of him. Bamtshela ukuthi ke he is the best dad and brave dad in the whole world, and ngempela, guys, Musa he's just that to abantwana bakhe. Bakhombisa uthando kakhulu and uyabemukela with ama differences abo without judging them. After that, guys, Musa ke ubesexoxa ke about his sexual life, ukuthi ke umakhumalo, umayeni, umangwabe banjani ekamereni, excluding umacele obengayanga ku trip because she wasn't feeling well. It was a beautiful discussion, guys. Ukubabona nje behleli bexoxa ekubeni besesithenjini, you know that feeling, guys, ukuthi wow, so kahle kahle bayazwana, and abantu abaningi they enjoy their discussion. But most people were disappointed to hear umseleku ekhuluma ngendaba zocansi in front of his kids. Was it necessary, guys, to ukuthi akhulume about that information in front of his kids, or abantu nje they are just being abantu bathanda ukcomplaina noma isidingo singekho? Please do leave your comment below and share your feelings about the episode yayizolo. See you on my next upload. Bye.